Some of these individuals that are no longer at risk had to build dikes for last week's scenario where there was a potential for ice jams. So they had to build for that reason. Now that the elevations have changed in terms of the high water expected with the crest, they are no longer at risk. In our notice to residents, we identify that they're currently not at risk. Currently is an important word. We also ask them to be vigilant, and we ask them not to remove any of the dike stakes that we've placed in their yards until the conclusion of the event completely. And we make sure that they're aware that they could be called upon to dike if conditions change.